They make us talk to different people, and it was really good getting to know the rest of the A-listers through the conversations.
Style, substance, and success. Qualities that define our August Man A-listers. Join us as they tackle challenges that push them beyond their everyday boundaries. Good morning, and as many of you may have already guessed, you are here for the Breitling challenge. Now this is challenge number 3. Now Alvin right here will be taking you behind the scenes of a watch. So he will do a short demo on watch assembly, which you will have to later on do yourself as well. Now you guys will be graded based on 3 criteria of watchmaking. So that is percentage of completion, precision of the assembly, and speed of assembly. So quality, precision, and speed. Now, rules of the challenge, you will have 20 minutes to put together a watch, and no additional spare parts will be given to you. If any parts are missing, you will be disqualified. Okay, very exciting prizes are up for grabs. There will be 3 to give away. So the winner will receive a Colt Sky Racer, first runner-up a field toolkit, and second runner-up a Bluetooth headset. These are very exciting prizes for you to walk home with. You will be split into 2 groups, so we will rewind time back to the day that you guys took your photos together. Any questions, gentlemen? All excited? All right, let's go.
What I'm going to do here is I'm going to run you through the challenge. So please take this very seriously, and it's a very simple challenge. 10 steps, 10 components, very easy. You screw it in. On top of the plate, you put in the jumper maintaining plate. When you wear a watch, you can quick date, quick change your watch, and this is what the function is. You've got to place right in between this, the date and the day jumper. All ready? All good? And let's go! Now, you just pick up the plate. Push it. 1 minute to the countdown. 45 seconds.
Oh my goodness, my
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and stop.
40.
They haven't put it in. If you put it in, it would be 50.
For the squad B guys, to see can you outdo the squad A guys. Okay, squads 2, the time start now. Much as speed is important, perfection and precision is critical. It's 1 minute. You only have 1 minute left.
Done.
Screw haven't tightened.
Screw haven't tightened yet, yeah. But the spring works.
50.
All right, well done, gentlemen. And now it's time to give out the amazing prizes that we have from Breitling. And in third place, winning the tiebreaker, we've got Yong. Congratulations. You win a Breitling headset.
Congratulations. This is a very unique Breitling Bluetooth headset. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it.
All right, thank you.
Congratulations.
Good job.
Thank you.
And in second place, winning the Breitling Field tool set is Mark. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
All right, and in first place, winning a lovely timepiece by Breitling is Simon. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Simon. You like that? Yeah. In case anyone want to dispute the champion, he did it in 13 minutes, 20 seconds. Yeah. Well, very well done, Simon. I hope you enjoy the watch. And I think more importantly than the prize, I think it's about having good fun, getting to learn something that we never have learned before. Yeah, and also for our brand, you understand a bit more on the discovery, much more about the brand. Thank you.
Thank you to the team at Breitling. Thank you, Alvin. And gentlemen, it is now time to break for lunch.
So when I first received the Breitling challenge, I thought it was very interesting because I've never done any research on how does a watch work. I just put it on, like it looks good, that's it.
There was definitely going to be a little level of challenge in there, but not too tough. I felt quite lucky because in order to assemble these tiny bits of a watch together and then get them to work, you need steady hands.
Maybe because like I'm naturally a little bit competitive. I like to try and get things done right. It was a bit frustrating when I couldn't get things to go the way I wanted it to go.
Somebody actually bumped into the table and I thought I lost that piece. And I thought that's a good game, right? The end of the challenge. But thankfully, it was actually not on the floor. It was still in the watch. Just that the scope was on and vision was blurred. But all is good after that.
I never knew how much work went into a watch and like how difficult it was until today.
I got second place. It's not too bad considering that I was technically working the night before.
It felt really nice to win. It felt good. It's obviously a very nice watch to own, so quite lucky to have it.
I think it's very genius of them actually to gel this component into the challenge to let us understand the history and the make of how difficult it is to actually make a watch.
Oh, I don't even know what the next challenge is, so I guess I'm keeping my eyes wide open and just open to whatever's coming next.
We hope you've enjoyed this episode and we'll see you back in the next. 3, 2.
Did you know?
I absolutely didn't think I stood a chance.
Went completely unprepared.